everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon price tracker to save money. So if you want to use Amazon price tracker to track the price and save money, then follow along. First of all, open your Amazon and then log into your account. Now in the next tab, search for Amazon price tracker. Now after clicking on Amazon price tracker, you can either find a extension which you can download, or you can even use any browser that you prefer. Now click on any website that you want and then click on add to Chrome. Now this will open your Chrome web store where you can click on the add to Chrome button to download this extension. Now click on add extension, which will now add this extension to your browser. Now click on open Amazon. Now you need to log into your account. Now click on the extensions tab and click on the Amazon price tracker. Now it will open this site and now click on deals. Now you will be able to see the price history over time, and you can set a price alert to get notified when the product becomes cheaper. And that's it. You can now track Amazon prices and save money. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.